Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So right now this is a very first time unique test I am trying to do in my channel on the POCO X3 device. It is the POCO X3 smartphone, and in this video I'll be using this smartphone to power the mini cooler. As you can see friends, this is a mini cooler which is a USB cooler, so which is very much portable and convenient during the summer and very hot days as well. So right now I have this kind of type C adapter, so where I'll be plugging this mini cooler to the POCO X3 smartphone. So let's see how much the battery will be draining during this time, how much the discharge rate will be there in the POCO X3 device. So I'll try to do this kind of test for about maybe not more than 15 to 20 minutes. I'll try to play continuously, and I don't recommend to use this kind of high taking output from the POCO X3 for long time continuous. So only for short time usage it should be fine, but not for the long time. This will definitely impact the battery, so don't try. I would suggest you not to try, just for the testing sake. So that's why I'm trying to do very unique videos in my channel. So in case if you want to download this live TikTok wallpaper, so which is very good and interesting, so check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers. You can find each and every detailed reviews about one individual wallpaper application. So try to check the links in description. So before that, thank you for everyone friends and making me to upload more than 200 videos. So these are 206 videos which I uploaded only on the POCO X3 device. So there's so much of information on the POCO X3 you can find in my channel. And let's get started. And in this video I'll be trying to use one of the application, battery charging monitor application. So this will show the discharge, how much the battery is discharging currently right now. As you can see, so when it's not connected, it's discharging close to 600 milliamperes. So let me try to reset the values right now. So once the values are resetted and it will become 0, and let me try to connect the USB adapter. Right now it's connected, and let me try to power on the mini cooler, and I'll be using with the single speed. You can see that with the single speed how much the maximum amount is there, and with the double speed, so the milliamperes is increased it from 1200 to 1300 to 1400 as well, as you can see clearly. So with the triple speed, so there are 3 different speeds right now, and even there is a lighting setting as well at the moment. So I did not turn on the light. If you want, you can turn on the light as well, but I did not. I kept this one light as off. But right now you can see the maximum milliamperes it's draining is 1800 milliamperes. 1874 is the maximum. So the time has been started, and this will record how much percentage is drained in how much time. So I'll continue like this for 10 minutes and let me observe how much the battery is draining. And meanwhile I'll try to close the phone as well. So let's see friends how much the battery will be drained during this time if you are using this mini cooler. So right now you can see your friend, it's been 16 minutes of using continuously the mini USB cooler, and the maximum current output it has taken about 2300 milliamperes. So this is the maximum output it has been discharged. So let me quickly show you the 10 minutes of time. As you can see, the 10 minutes during this time the discharge has been consistent, and this is the maximum, and for 16 minutes the battery dropped by 7%. So on an average of for 30 minutes, if you use this kind of mini USB cooler, if you connect to the POCO X3, so it will drain 15% of battery for the 30 minutes of usage, and for 1 hour it will drain 30%. 30% it will drain, and this can discharge the phone battery within maybe 3 hours. So 2 to 3 hours this should be discharging the complete phone battery. So if you are interested, I'll try to do the complete draining test as well in the next video. So do let me know in the comment below what are your thoughts about this video, and thank you for watching this video friends. I'll try to do this kind of unique kind of testings on the POCO X3 device, and make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.